goes out of the center chimney, and after it goes, this termite hole gets heat hotter little by little, and in the night time it stores that heat while it's cold. It stores that heat, and in the again it will become cooler and cooler. It stores that coolness for the daytime.
Did everybody follow it or?
And there are many houses built like in this type, where in the top there's a small chimney, and other sides there are chimneys. In the bottom of the floor, like ground floor, there's a exhaust fan type of thing, which brings the air in, and it becomes heat in. In daytime it becomes cool when it comes in, and in the night time it becomes hot when it comes in the same method.
So in a simple way, let me tell you something which is very different about this. This is the first AC invented. Is it? So that is a nice expression.
This is a biomimicry.
Is it? Is it an AC?
No.
No, right?
Not,
Actually,
but they did biomimicry from this and invented it.
So, which is the first AC?
This call it first.
Yeah. So you came to the same thing. So this was the first AC. How? What is an AC? It will regulate. Yeah, air conditioner will do what? It will regulate the temperature and fix the temperature inside a room, right?
Yes.
That's what it does. It doesn't cool always, or it doesn't heat. Because in Delhi and some other places, you use AC for heating things. Because the outside temperature will be far less, and to maintain that, you will use AC there. But here in southern India and some other parts, you will use AC for cooling. So AC is a device which maintains temperature, right? Not that it always cools or it heats. Correct?
Yes.
So what this does is the same thing. As he said, no matter what is the outside temperature, inside this there will be an optimum temperature, and that will remain same even if the outside temperature different. How is it?
Is there any machines inside, ventilator?
No.
How it is possible?
So there is not even a single opening. There might be very small openings, which is not the main thing. Because see, this is built by. How do you think this whole termite?
Everyone thinks this is a snake hole. No. But it's not.
I don't think.
No, some people.
Okay, we'll go to that discussion later.
Yeah. That will end there only. Okay.
These termites build this with the sand and its poop.
Not poop.
Then why is it touching it only?
Even if it is a poop, that's fine, because everything is useful inside nature. Only what we use and throw outside as humans, we segregate it as waste and we segregate it as something useful. But in nature, whatever is there, that is useful for some other animal or something.
Its poop has many bacteria which are used to kill.
Okay.
Yeah, kill some.
Okay, let me tell you a few interesting things about this ant hill.
About this.
Not that I know everything, but whatever I know, I'll just let you know. Okay.
Listen, which you will ask question. Okay.
See, this is built by normal mud, but when termites mix the mud with its saliva, it will change into something magical. Because even if you try to break it, it is very difficult. Not that it is not possible, it is difficult, because see, the saliva is such a magical thing. It will bind the particles of mud and make it so strong, and also kind of air conditioning ventilator or layer of air condition, because that's what makes the different temperatures inside and outside. The more technical part is not required right now. So what it does is, the mud acts as the real AC. It will regulate the temperature outside and inside. That is required for termites, because we feel comfortable at one or two temperatures, right? 26 degree, 27 degree, or in a range 26 to 28 degree or 29 degree, right? In a similar way, every organism requires a simple and moderate temperature, and inside this is the moderate temperature for termites, for them to live, store food, grow food, and also live. Okay.
Food.
Termites grow their own food.
It's fungi.
Correct.
Fungi.
In a way, these are the first farmers, because they bring in the raw materials and then grow mushrooms on them and then eat it.
They bring fungi. See, this actually grows from food. No. This termite hole can be from 9 to 15 feet.
See, whatever.
And it goes under down.
Correct. Whatever you see here, you are seeing only 1/3 of it. The other part is below. And it is so complex that even an engineer cannot design it and bring it into such a complex shape. So if you see a termite hill, you will get to know. If there is a picture, I will try to show you later.
In the center there will be a round thing in which the mushroom goes and grows until the down.
Yeah, they'll make compartments and then make that as growing fields, and they grow mushrooms and they eat it.
The termites might be under the ground.
Yeah, they'll be all around inside.
Or under the ground.
Yeah, also under the ground. Okay.
In some places like termite hole have done 11 feet high
Yeah,
but
see.
it's thin.
Actually, a person broke into a termite and when he saw inside, it was like fully like almost 30 feet down.
Yeah, there are few things like that. But
Some
most of the
termites only
YouTube and other video stuffs are not so accurate. They'll just show what looks amazing and different. But there are so many other things so amazing and magical around us we don't observe. Okay, we'll try to do that in this class, okay? We'll go inside.
Oh, phew, at last.
See, take your paper and pen, note something what you are observing. Okay, don't have pen.
No, it's Swami temple.